Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the Amrita Hospital in Faridabad district of Haryana. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has ruled out any changes in the Memorandum of Understanding signed between Meghalaya and Assam to resolve the interstate boundary dispute in 6 areas. NPP today celebrated its foundation day in party office in Shillong. Chief Minister and NPP President Conrad Sangma and other top leaders were also present on the occasion. Asking the state government to revisit the MOU on boundary agreement, the opposition Trinamool Congress said that there has been opposition to this boundary pact from various quarters and hence there are so many opposition and protests taking place in the state. The DRDO and Indian Navy today successfully test fired surface-to-air missile at Odisha.